So we just had 3 days of very stormy weather, and this is the first day that they've been back outside. It was just so cold and damp and miserable, and this tarp was not keeping the run dry at all. So we kept them in the coop, and they're seeming to enjoy being back out. I did have their feed bucket had gotten wet, so I just dumped out the old stuff, and there was still plenty of good feed in the bottom, so I dumped that out while I'm gonna play. Oh, and there's Olive loves to cause trouble. She's quite the aggressive one, actually. Aren't you? Not quite sure why. I'm pretty sure she's a pullet, but she has so much energy. And the first day she settled in pretty well, and in the evening she just started going around and biting all the others. But I'm thinking she's just young and energetic. And Miss Mille spent a few days inside because her sisters were bugging her. I brought her back out last night, and she seems to be doing okay. Healing up from whatever was bothering her intestinal system. She's definitely still picking at herself, but not like she was. So we're still keeping an eye on her. There you go. What did you find? Just some roots. Now, I have noticed, and I'm wondering if others have noticed, or if anybody could give me some feedback, that birds, the chickens, who are similar in color, the same breed, tend to flock together more so. My Easter eggers, the chickens with the red heads seem to stick together more than the chickens with the black heads seem to stick together more. My black-headed Easter eggers are a bit more aggressive than the red-headed ones. So I'd love to know more about that, and if other people have the same experience. I should probably post some videos. of my Easter eggers as well. Oh, poor Mille. She's just gone to the bathroom almost non-stop since we've been out here. Maybe that's just her. Maybe that's just what her life is going to be like. Is that common with Orpingtons? Does anybody know? I've not dealt with that before. She does not have worms. She does not have mites or lice. And they definitely are gaining some weight since they've been here, which is great. These birds are just a joy to watch. And they seem to love dandelion green, so that's awesome because we definitely have plenty of those. And that will be all for today.